Let's bring in both Lauren and Ashley. I want more on the UFO report, unidentified flying objects. These encounters that this report reveals had quite an impact on real people. Radiation burns, paralysis, brain damage, unaccounted for pregnancies. You know, I'm inclined to ask Lauren to start with, do you believe in UFOs?
Oh, wow.
It had to be the question, didn't it?
I'm going to go with no. I'm going to go with no. Ashley?
Yeah, what do you got, Ash?
I tend to believe. I just can't believe we're the only ones out there. And the people who are interviewed, we've all seen those late-night documentaries, at least I have, on UFOs in Alaska and what have you. But this report comes from a shadowy Pentagon department that was shut down in 2012. And the ailments listed after these experiences, as you say, the most common experience, by the way, is abduction. Then, I love the picture, then radiation burns, paralysis, brain damage, even sexual encounters. There was also a case cited of a commercial airline pilot who saw what he said was a very bright flying disc, and when he got home, he had a very bright red face, and he had that for 4 days, and they believe it was radiation burn. So how do you explain that? And that video on the screen right now, there's this video of like a tiny Tic Tac that's these Navy fighter jets are pursuing, and they just can't keep up with it. I don't know how you explain that, but this report does say that, you know, these encounters appear to be, to the people at least, very real, and that they believe that there is some sort of other intelligent or advanced system out there, and it's just not clear to us how they operate. In other words, as I said earlier, we are not alone.
But it's the example, it's the experience of the pilots, the commercial airline pilots and the Navy pilots.
Yep.
You know, it's hard to refute that when they've come up with an obvious physical thing on their face. And these are rational people. They see shapes and lights in the sky. It's hard to dismiss that entirely, isn't it?
I don't have a strong opinion on this. I mean, I do believe in these things. I believe in spirits and all of that. That's a whole other discussion. But yeah, there's other things and people out there for sure.
Okay, I don't think we're going to reach the end of this, but it is very interesting to an awful lot of people, and the conspiracy theorists run riot all the time.